All right, and the last stock we need to talk about today, the last move that I made today was with Zomedica. Zomedica, I bought 4,000 shares worth of Zomedica just because I did say I was going to get in at this low point. When I really start to see it consolidate, I'm going to get in at the low point. So let's bring up what actually happened with ZOM, Z-O-M. And you could see that right now, you see nothing but a consolidation point. Yes, it is increasing slightly, but it looks more like a consolidation point than anything. And once we start to see that take off, we're going to see that really take off. ZOM has been heavily shorted, for a number of months actually. You see that here it hit some pretty interesting high points of $1.30 where I got interested. My cost basis was $1.50. Now it's a lot lower, down at that 90-cent mark or so. But either way, you could see this test of basically 70 cents, and it's starting to level out and hopefully will make that move upward. We're seeing some massive strength somewhere around this mark, the 70 to 80 cent mark. So once we see the influx in volume, the high volume that we need to see, we're seeing 53 million. Previously, we've seen high volume. We're going to start to see this skyrocket. We're going to start to see this really make moves. The high volume that we've seen in the past with Zomedica, the reason why it didn't move is because it was actually being heavily shorted, 60% at sometimes, being shorted. I believe yesterday was 45% that it was short. So they're continuing to double down on these shorts. And I'm not saying that, this is the next squeeze or anything like that, but it is something that's going to increase. And I'm looking for a large move, from 90 cents up to $2, $2.50, just to make that simple move and gain some decent money out of it. And ultimately, I'm thinking ZOM could be something a lot bigger. We could see this, really take off from that 80-cent mark all the way up to $3, depending on something that people are looking for after AMC squeeze or during AMC squeeze. A lot of times you're seeing people gravitate towards lower priced stocks. So just keep this in mind. And this is not financial advice. It's merely just my opinion. I'm looking at this and seeing a lot of potential. Yes, this all happened when AMC or GME was doing what it was doing, but you're starting to see the same thing happen, with AMC. Again, you're going to see things start to gravitate, or people start to gravitate towards lower price stocks to be in early. And I think this is going to be one of them. So let me know what you're thinking about Zomedica. I'll make sure to put something on the MP Shorts channel about it to let people know. Also, the Discord group as well, to let people know that I bought some more of that. But my account value has been, going up. And Zomedica has been making a positive move. And also, some other positions have been making positive moves. So again, let me know what you're thinking. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.